the good category. These received a rating of an 8 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10. So these were just like the way I'm going to continue repurchasing these items and be excited about it. Yes, okay, y'all. I'm like excited right now. Just talk about it. Okay. So at number 3, it is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. And so this actually, when I first went natural, that was the first, no, actually I bought a kinky curly gel for $20. That was all the money I had in my wallet when I was in high school. But the next product I bought that was more affordable than kinky curly was the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. So that was like, those were my first just natural hair products. So I was really excited to get these products. And so I received a shampoo. I'm trying to see. And then I received the leave-in conditioner again. So the leave-in conditioner, I told you guys there were 2 products that I did not get to try out of the boxes. I've actually already tried leave-in conditioner way back when, and that's what I received in that last box, which is why I went ahead and made the video, because technically it's only one product I haven't used. So that was the other product I used, which I did love. And then the shampoo. I really like the shampoo. I love a good clarifying shampoo, and I have very oily skin, and that means I also have a very oily scalp, which is like great for hair moisture. But it also means that sometimes I get a lot of buildup on my scalp, especially using certain products, so I do need a good clarifying shampoo. And it's like a gentle clarifying shampoo, so I really did enjoy the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and I believe that one, I think that one has apple cider vinegar and peppermint in it, which are just like my 3 favorite things to use just in general, just as individual products, you know. So I really did enjoy using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and it's a strengthen and restore product, but I think that it's formulated that it complements my hair and my hair's needs a lot better than the Color Care strengthen and restore one, which I just think had too many protein heavy products in it or ingredients in it, and my hair just was not messing with it. So that is my number 3. Love it. I would absolutely buy it again. Love that. For my number 2 product, it's the Black Soap, I have to look at it. The African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal line. And I love this shampoo so much. I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal shampoo, especially when I have braids, y'all. It is just one of the best clarifying shampoos I've ever used in my life. My hair responds very well to it. My scalp feels so good. And so these shampoos really do accommodate like my scalp needs really well. I also work out a lot, and at the time, my junior year was when I started running cross country for my university. So I was in need of something that was properly cleaning my scalp. And like, you know, we don't want to dry out our hair, but it still is very important to make sure that you're properly cleansing your scalp so that your hair can grow in a healthy way and you don't have a lot of buildup and just things that won't help your hair as it's trying to break through and grow, and you know. So I think that clarifying shampoos are really good, and then I also do have my moisturizing shampoos that I swap in. But I received a shampoo and a scalp scrub. So I also received this around the time I was dabbling in pre-poos, and the scalp scrub, it's like a pre-shampoo, so it really helps to break down all the product buildup that you might get on your scalp. It was literally formulated for me, y'all. It was formulated for me. So it comes with like a little bottle. Actually, I have a video of myself using it that I'm probably gonna insert the clip. And you squeeze it out, and it has little like scrubby nubs on it, and you squeeze it out and massage it into your scalp, and then you can kind of take the product down your hair to begin the pre-poo process. A lot of people, I did a little poll on my Instagram, believe that pre-pooing is overrated, which it's not necessary. But if you do feel the need to take that extra time, I do think pre-pooing is beneficial, especially for me. I just break my hair a lot. The amount of breakage in my crown I have, because I just don't have patience. And so pre-pooing forces me to be patient and to be careful with my hair, so that when I'm actually in the shower washing it and conditioning it and detangling it, I experience a whole lot less breakage. So the scalp scrub, take me so long to say it for some reason, is so nice. It's very satisfying. It's super tingling. I would also recommend if you do have braid styles in. So that is my number 2 product. Love it so much. I gave it a 9 out of 10. I would buy it again. Like, when I run out, I'm buying it again. That's just it. Also, when I use these shampoos on my hair, I do not have as much buildup with my braids. I have had braids 4 times in the past 2 years and used these shampoos religiously while I had braids, and at least three of the times I took those braids out, this is the 4th, I haven't tested it yet. I could just go because I had washed my hair maybe a day or a couple days beforehand with the shampoo, and there was no buildup in my braids. Like, it was good. Like, my hair was, it was fine. So I really think they're great shampoos. Please, like, if it doesn't work for you like that with your braids, please don't come for me. But I'm saying I really enjoy the shampoos. I think they're great. For my number one product, it is the Make It Last Wash and Go line. I literally have recommended this line to so many people. The first time I tried it, I had done like a wash and go, and I did a wash and go, and I actually did a YouTube video on it. So if you want to watch it, I'm gonna link it somewhere around here. Okay. But I did a wash and go, and I hate wash and goes in my hair. I'm gonna say that loud and clear for y'all to hear me, and it's not because I hate my texture. I just wash and goes don't work for me the way that a twist out or a braid out works for me. Not just that, it's just not as versatile, it's not as long lasting, and that's how I just don't like them. But that was the best washing I've ever had in my life. The amount of definition and moisture that my hair had at the same time was amazing. And I got sent the whole line. So I got the shampoo, conditioner, the curl primer, which it's akin to a leave-in conditioner, the gel defining oil, and then the refreshing oil, something like that. It's like an oil, it's a spray oil, and you're supposed to use it to like refresh your curls, especially for wash and goes. 10 out of 10. That has a 10 out of 10. That an 11 out of 10. I love that product so much. It is so moisturizing. I ran out of it and I repurchased it. Okay, let's see what we still have. Actually, I'm so sad. I was really throwing stuff away. I just have the shampoo. I still have. I finished the conditioner and I guess I threw the bottle away. But I have the defining gel oil, a little bit left still. This is everything I've repurchased with my own money. The Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. And then this is the shampoo. But the shampoo, I wish I had some in here to show you guys. It is so thick. I tried it and I felt like I could detangle at the shampooing step. That was the first sign that things were going amazing. And then we get to the conditioner. Amazing. Chef's kiss. Like that was nice. Then the curl primer and the scent. The products have like this soft perfume scent that's not too overwhelming, but it's very pleasant. And then the defining gel oil. I was skeptical because I was like, it's advertising moisture and definition, but a defining gel oil is just not giving me that. But it did. It can't, y'all. It was such a nice hold. It was a defined but like not crunchy hold, and my hair just felt like moisturized and happy, and she didn't feel like I had like dried her to a crisp. Like when I put a lot of Eagle Styler on it to try to get some definition, it felt amazing. And then the defining gel oil, y'all. I mean, okay, I'll say this much. It smells really good. Oil mixes don't really impress me, but I haven't tried a bunch of oil mixes. I'm not the type, I just won't spend $10 on a pre-mixed oil when I could just buy $10 worth of oils and make my own oil mix. So I'm not really impressed by them. But I will say it had a really good scent, and it was in a convenient little spray bottle, and it was nice that it came with it, and I did like it. I don't know if I'd buy that again. I'm gonna be honest. Well, things I don't know if I'd buy that again. But that is my favorite of them all. The way that when I did the product, so first there was that, and then I did a twist out with it because the wash and go came out so well. My hair was just so moisturized, the way that it just hung and laid, because they were just juicy. Like my hair was just filled with moisture. She was thick and juicy, and and the movement, y'all, I'm having flashbacks right now. My heart is fluttering. I was so pleased. It is such a good line. I implore you to try it. I really like the Make It Last Wash and Go line. It was great. Thank y'all for coming with me on this journey. This is my first time doing like a sit down and talk video in a really long time, so I'm sorry if it's a mess, but I'm also really anxious because I'm always thinking about how long I talk, and I want to be concise. So I'm trying to like calm down so I can properly say all the things I need to say. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you being here. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Put a like or a dislike if you didn't. I need to know so that I can know what types of videos to make for you all in the future. But have a great night. It's not a Thursday. It's a Wednesday where I'm at. So we're already halfway through the week. So I hope y'all have a really great rest of your week and a wonderful weekend. And I will see y'all again probably on Sunday.